Assalamu alaikum. So actually, that particular pot has some seeds, bird seeds, and I found out it's working. The bird actually ate some seeds from that, and I'm trying to capture the moment, but I guess now it's not eating anymore. So the camera is not that nice to show the actual presence of it, but it's looking really nice from my perspective. Like it's so near to me, I can see the whole body, my beaks and everything. Even the eyes also I can see clearly. And this time, like it feels like I am in the prison and they are free. So that's what I was thinking. Usually, like in the other cases, we put the birds in the prison and we are free. But it looks like I am in the prison and they are free. Anyways, I was hoping if it could again eat something, and I guess it's like calling other people, like other friends of him or whatever. Come on, it did eat something. You see this so much of cloud over the mountains. You cannot even see the mountains. Yeah, that's the seed. She's eating. There are other times also. Then some other birds come, like the other types of birds also come. They kind of like, except for the crow. The crow never sits away. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, I really miss my camera. My iPhone camera was really nice. It could capture 4K videos. Like even the DSLR cannot catch 4K videos. My iPhone used to capture it. Even the iPhone 6 which I'm talking about. I really miss iPhone. But again, I need to get some money and all. Why should I get an iPhone? I really want an iPhone, but maybe someday I will get it. Alhamdulillah.